In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a Stripe business account from the very beginning. I will go slowly, explain each part, and make sure you understand what to click and what information to enter, so even if you have never used Stripe before, you can follow along easily. So first of all, you need to open a web browser on your computer. You can use any browser you like. For example, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser that you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the top where you type website names. In that bar, type Stripe and then press Enter. Now wait for the results to load. When the results appear, you want to click on the official Stripe website. You will usually see a website that talks about helping businesses accept payments and grow their revenue. That is the correct website. Make sure you are on the real Stripe website before you continue. Once the website is open, take a second to look at the page so you can see that everything looks normal and professional. Now look at the top of the page. In one of the corners, you will see an option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on Sign In. Now you are on the Stripe sign-in page. This page is mainly for people who already have a Stripe account and want to log in. But if you are creating a brand new Stripe business account, you do not want to sign in yet. Instead, you want to register and create a new account. On this page, you may see options like sign in with Google or other quick sign-in options. But since you are creating a business account for the first time, I recommend that you create a new account using your email address. So look for the option to create an account or register. When you start creating your Stripe account, Stripe will ask you for some basic information. First, you will need to enter your email address. This should be an email address that you have access to, because Stripe will send you a confirmation message, so make sure you type your correct email address. Next, you will enter your full name. This should be your real name, the same name you normally use for business or official accounts. After that, you will create a password. When you create your password, make sure it is something that you can remember, but also something that is strong and unique. Do not use a very simple password. Try to use a mix of letters and numbers so your account stays secure. Once you have entered your password, Stripe will ask you to select your country. Choose your country from the list. Make sure you select the correct country because this can affect how your account works later. After you have entered your email, your name, your password, and selected your country, you can click the button to create your account. Now, after you create your account, Stripe will send a confirmation email to the email address you entered. So the next step is to open your email inbox. Go to your email and look for a message from Stripe. It may take a few moments, so if you do not see it right away, wait a little bit and refresh your inbox. When you see the email from Stripe, open it. Inside that email, there will be a link to verify your email address. Click on that link. This step is very important because it confirms that your email is real and that you own it. After you click the verification link, your Stripe account will be confirmed. Now you will be taken back to Stripe, and you should see your Stripe dashboard. This is your main control panel. This is where you manage your business payments, customers, and settings. When you first log into your dashboard, Stripe will ask you for some basic business information. This is where you tell Stripe about your business. First, you will enter your business name. For example, if your business is called Welcome Coffee, you would type Welcome Coffee as your business name. Next, Stripe may ask for your business website. If you have a website, you can paste your website address here. For example, if your website is welcomecoffee.com, you would enter that. If you do not have a website yet, Stripe may give you other options depending on your business type. After that, Stripe will ask what type of business you have and what you offer. This is where you describe what your business does. For example, if you run a coffee shop, you can say that your business sells coffee and related products. If you sell services or digital products, you can describe that instead. Just explain in the simple words what your business is about. After you enter this information, click Continue. Stripe may then show you some options about connecting your business and setting things up. You may see recommendations or setup steps. Just follow the on-screen instructions and continue. At some point, Stripe may remind you again to verify your email if you have not already done so. If you see that message, go back to your email and make sure you have clicked the verification link. Once your email is verified, your account becomes active. Now, Stripe will ask you to complete your business profile. Take your time with each step and make sure all your information is correct.
Before you start using Stripe for real payments, make sure your business data stays secure. I personally recommend NordVPN for safe and private access, especially when managing financial accounts. Don't forget to get NordVPN at a great discount using the link in the description.